Did you know that only 1/3 of mortgage loan applicants go to closing? Hi, I'm Ivory, and I'm in the business of helping consumers raise their credit and achieve their dreams of being homeowners. Back in 2009, I was working from 6 a.m. to midnight, helping clients like Beth, who had reached her breaking point with the collection calls. And she said she just couldn't do it anymore. She was on a fixed income, had been taken advantage of by a member of her church who stole money from her checking account while pretending to help her with her finances. And the sad thing is, Beth wasn't an isolated case. So many were in similar situations. Homes in default and credit ruined, with no place to go and no lender that would even look them in the eye. They simply didn't know how they could possibly move forward with their dreams of owning a home, with credit and bills all piling up. And it's not even their fault. The system is designed to keep us in the dark. It's how credit companies continue to make their money. And I know because I've seen the behind the scenes. I've seen all of the aspects of what good credit can do and what happens when people default on their loans. I've seen clients come in utterly devastated and feel so powerless to change the handful of numbers deciding their fate. And I've watched these same people's faces wash with a sense of relief when they saw their potential as I helped them repair their credit in my company, Insight Strategies. I have the knowledge, I have the background, and I have the information from the big bank side, from knowing what happens at the highest ends of default and from financial planning as well. And I realize that in the end, it all comes down to this: good credit opens doors. Now, this is exactly why I created the course Credit Worthy, to give people the reality behind the curtain that no one talks about.